I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a ranch-style potato salad. So this is a slightly different riff on conventional potato salad. It uses a creamy ranch dressing and some mustard, and the two together really can make it pop. And, you know, a hard-boiled egg as well, and some green onions. So here I have some chopped potatoes. I cut them into bite-sized pieces, and then I boiled them for between 5 and 10 minutes, just until they became soft, but not too mushy. And I'm going to add some chopped hard-boiled egg to that. And a little bit of green onion. Some mustard. And some creamy ranch salad dressing. So it's like a buttermilk dressing, creamy buttermilk. Gonna add a little bit of dill, some salt, and some black pepper. And there you have a ranch-style potato salad.